Welcome to the Raw Food Health Empowerment Show. This is your host, Samantha Salmon, certified holistic health coach, author of You Can Afford to Be Healthy. And today we are talking about why anemia is so bad and what you can do about it. So some of the symptoms of anemia are fatigue, dizziness, headaches, rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, pale skin, nails and lips, sensitivity to cold, cravings for ice or starch, white-coated tongue, white spots under your fingernails. There are actually different types of anemia, but I will focus on iron deficiency anemia, which is the most common. So we're all about the Raw Food Health Empowerment Show, so I like to highlight foods first and foremost that could be used to help assist the body in healing itself, because the body is a smart mechanism, it's a smart biocomputer, and so it knows how to heal. It just needs the tools to do so. So for anemia, the foods we want to focus on are foods that are rich in iron and also foods that are rich in vitamin C, because vitamin C is necessary for iron absorption. So what are those fruits and vegetables? They're broccoli, lettuce, beets, beet greens, cabbage, peas, seeds like sesame seeds and sunflower seeds, nuts like pistachios, pecans, and almonds, which are all my favorite nuts, celery, parsley, dates, pears, Swiss chard, kale, blueberries. You can see there's an abundance of nutrients in our foods that can help to keep our body iron rich or have enough iron in it to function properly. And I love to get nutrients like iron and vitamin C and all other nutrients from whole foods as opposed to supplements and pharmaceutical drugs. Why? Because those things are not working in synergy. Whole plants have a whole synergistic thing going on where they give you the right amount, and so you're not going to be able to overdose on certain nutrients like you would be able to do if you're taking a pharmaceutical drug or some kind of supplement. Having too much of certain nutrients can actually be detrimental to your health, but when you're getting it from whole foods, you will always have it in balance. There's no way for you to overdose on iron or overdose on vitamin C or anything like that. So here are some recipes that I created over the past week that utilizes all of these foods. Cleanup as clean as possible. I call it a juicer tampon. All right, time to meal prep. On the menu, cabbage and garbanzo beans. added more with dandelion leaves that I needed to use up. Okay, so here's a little hack. Use your blender if you need a bigger container. Sometimes I've even used a pot, like a stainless steel pot, because I usually make juice for about 3 days. Also, I'm using a strainer because I have a Breville juice fountain and I get some pulp and a lot of froth when I juice with that juicer. So I'm definitely going to use the wet pulp from this in one of the next recipes. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video with a mix of animation. I'm hoping that you will love these videos and you'll find them fun, entertaining, and still educational, and fun enough that you can share them with your children to inspire them and encourage them to love and eat more raw fruits and vegetables. Please leave any suggestions you have for the videos in the comments below. I really want to hear from you. And also, if you try any of the recipes, let me know how it goes. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you next week.